Hello, I'm in a 2017 Hyundai Elantra, and today I'm going to show you how to adjust your time. So first, you're going to want to make sure the vehicle's on, which this one already is. And then for any changes in here, you want the radio to be on, which right now is off. So you'll turn it on that way. And then this button here, if you have this setup of style of buttons, is hit setup and clock. And then you can either scroll with this, or as you see 1, 2, 3, 4, you can use these to go to clock. And then like I described, you can scroll with this. And then depending on what you want to change, you can make it military time or regular. You can change your calendar. Obviously clock's what we're here for. Go up or down as needed. So right now I'm adjusting to 6:05. So there, and then same with that if the minutes are off. And then AM, PM. That's it. Everything should be set up. You could just, turn the car off at this point and it would be set. I hope this tutorial was helpful and hope you have a wonderful day.